everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some awesome cleaning motivation for you. I am going to clean my whole house and I'm going to take all that Rae done that you see over there and I'm going to put it away. So I'll show you some of my storage options that I have in my house. I'm going to add it to my china hutch, and I'm also going to sort of redo my coffee bar a little bit since I've gotten some more spring Easter Rae done items. So yeah, hopefully you get some cleaning motivation and hopefully you get some style inspiration. I know you guys have been wanting me to show you how I style some of my done. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy.
Something new if I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now, and I need
You guys, the eggs were still giving me issues. Look now, these eggs, I swear. I don't know if you guys watched my spring clean and decorate with me, but I did something similar on the other side with the excellent bowls. And the eggs just, they were giving me trouble. And they continue to do so here, but I just love the way it looks with the eggs overflowing from the bowls. And now I have a matching set on each side. Now I'm going to put all the things away that I hauled during my Sunday Dun Day. I'm going to put those away and then move on to my coffee bar. So I have quite a bit of mugs that I need to put away underneath this hutch. I'm going to rearrange my hutch as well and add in some of the cute little Easter spring decor that I picked up earlier this week.
Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now.
And this is the point when I realized that the honey bunny did not fit on the second shelf. So I had to take everything from the first shelf and bring it down to the second shelf. And the honey bunny fit perfect up top, and I think it's really, really cute.
I'm trying to make this darkness go away.
All of these mugs need to be put away down below. So yeah, I'm gonna do that.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade.
Next, I'm going to tackle all of these dishes. I love having a full dishwasher, and then it's gone.
I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken.
So this is what happens when I didn't get a chance to clean up my stove each night. It just kind of built up and got gross and gross and gross, but I am going to use my Mrs. Meyer's cream cleanser and some elbow grease and a razor blade and whole bunch of elbow grease to make it all pretty and shiny and new again.
Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
I am going to quickly just spray down the bathroom so the bathroom cleanser can get to work while I get back to work on my stove and get that all cleaned up.
Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
There she is. She's all beautiful, she's all shiny, she's all clean, ready for another pot to boil over and get food all over it.
All the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair.
Not too much damage in the living room. Just need to vacuum all the pet hair and pick up a few things, but it's not too bad in here.
But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good.
I wanted to make sure I wiped down the banister and the handrail. There's one area in my house that I always forget to disinfect and wipe down. Is there an area in your house that you always forget to clean? Mine is like the ceiling fans and banisters and doorknobs.
How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on.
I am in the dreaded kids' bathroom. Actually, they do a pretty good job. They are responsible for the daily clean of their bathroom, and I come in once a week to make sure that they're doing their job. They do an okay job. I can't complain, except for they somehow got that blind stuck in the halfway position. I tried to fix it, and I don't know what they did. So my husband's gonna have to take it down and see what they did, because that's in the front of the house. I would prefer the blind to be down and no one can see in the bathroom. That's a bit weird.
In this life. But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo.
I love my spin mop, but I do prefer to use the steam mop in the bathrooms. I feel like it sanitizes, and I definitely need to sanitize in the bathroom. The cords don't get in my way as much in the bathrooms because it's small. I don't love to use the steam mop downstairs because I have to plug it in every 5 seconds.
Rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest.
I will link my farmhouse decorate with me. I just redid or refreshed, I like to say, my master bedroom with some farmhouse touches. I will link that video up in the cards and also in the description box. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. I had a lot of fun.
Slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh.
I am going to spray my jet tub and fill it up, and also I'm just going to pour some in there, and then I'm going to run the jets so that it can clean the jets. It's important that you clean out the jets. I like to do it weekly, if not every 2 weeks, just to kind of make sure there's nothing building up in the jets. How many times can I say jets?
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm
I scrub down my shower daily with that scrubber filled with Dawn vinegar, and I also wipe down my bathtub daily as well, but like I said, I like to run the jets. So I'm going to scrub this down and let the bubbles dissipate a little bit. I'm going to have to come back to that.
and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
I hope you guys got some cleaning motivation from this, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I make videos every Wednesday, Friday, and of course my Ray Done series every single Sunday.
I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall